You want to delete your Instagram account from your phone? Let me show you the easiest way step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile icon. Next, tap the menu icon, three lines, and go to Settings. From there, tap on Account Center. You will see multiple options. Then select Manage and click on Deactivation or Deletion. Now select Delete Account, then tap Continue. Instagram will ask you the reason for leaving. Just choose any option and tap Continue again. If you want to download your data, you can select Download Information, otherwise simply Continue. Now enter your Instagram password and tap Continue. That's it. Your Instagram account will be successfully deleted. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.